Don't you think that it's a bit suspicious that we've never learned about credit, debt, business, or financial literacy in school? We went to school for 18 years and not once were we taught anything useful, right? However, they were sure as hell eager to teach us about maths, Pythagoras theorems, and formulas that are more useless than anything that we can even think of once we become adults. The reason why is because the education system was created to create and have employees. Okay, so let's think about it for a second. When you go to school, you're told which classes to go to, you're told where to sit, you're told to ask for permission to use the bathroom, right? You are literally sucked out of creativity, you're sucked out of independent thinking, and the system tells you exactly what to do, what to learn, when to learn it, right? From the day that you are 8 years old all the way to the day that you're 18. 10 years of schooling, right? Just to create a mindless employee. The reason why this is the case is because we live in a capitalist system. And the system was created and designed, right, to churn out as many employees and lack of creative thinkers as possible. This creates employees for the corporations, right? And it creates less competition for the business owners, right, who are dominating at the highest level. But I'm here to teach you and tell you how to break free from this kind of thinking. As an entrepreneur, you are going to come across challenges, you're going to come across problems that will elicit creative solution and creative thinking. And you will need to understand how to think creatively. That way, you can solve your problems and continue to earn your own money. I'm Alex Otto. I help people make money with cheap cars. In this video, we're going to dive into the reason why the school system, right, doesn't teach us about credit or financial literacy. The truth is that as soon as you turn 18, right, you are thrown into a system that encourages you to take hundreds of thousands of dollars in student loans to go to college. This data shows that 70% of people do not use their college degree. You watching may be one of those 70%, okay? 7 out of 10 people. That's a staggering majority of people who go to college who spend tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars in student loans, right? They have to still pay back that debt, and they don't even get a chance at life, right? Before going into crippling amounts of debt. The reason why this is designed is so that you don't escape the debt trap, right? The truth is, I also went to college and I also took on debt. But I learned very, very quickly while I was in college that this was not the way forward, okay? I did not learn anything of value, okay? Anything that would have made my life significantly better out of college. All the things that I learned were from working real jobs, right? And from starting and failing in real businesses. I was able to find some success in the car rental business, and I want to help people find the same success in their own businesses. Okay, so if you want to learn how to start and scale your car rental business, make sure you use the link in the description to join the Facebook group. Okay, now let's talk about what happens once you're in crippling amount of debt. It makes you very risk averse, and that is the entire point of the system, right? Remember, they take you through years of schooling, take out your creative thinking, your creativity, your independent thoughts, and then they slam you with tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. That way, once you finish college, you have to get a job because now you have tons of debt that you need to pay back. And as I was talking about earlier in one of my earlier videos, the difference between good debt and bad debt, if you haven't, make sure you watch that video. That is extremely bad debt because that debt doesn't generate you income, okay? That debt doesn't buy you asset. A college degree is simply not an asset. A lot of people have been lied to, and so many people believe the lies that sometimes it blows my mind, right? People really make sure that they do everything in their power to go to university, to go to college, to spend 4 to 6 years of their most vital years from 18 to 25. That is your most vital years. That is your most malleable years. That is when you have the most energy. That is when you have the most independent thought. They make sure to drill all of that out of you and then chain you to a whole bunch of debt. That way when you come out, you have no choice but to get a job, and you have no choice but to work every single day of your life to pay off that debt. And here's the reason why. W-2 employees pay the highest amount of taxes. The system loves taxpayers. Taxpayers fund wars, and taxpayers protect capital owners. Okay, so the politicians, right? The high-level entrepreneurs making billions of dollars, they love taxpayers. They hire a whole bunch of W-2 employees, right, to fund the wars and to protect their capital. You, as an individual, need to understand where you want to stand in the system. If you want to be a W-2 employee that simply pays taxes and funds the system, you can do that. However, you are going to live a life of struggle, and you're going to live a life of misery. It is going to be very, very difficult for you to make it as a W-2 employee unless you have an incredibly high income skill, which some people do. And if you have an incredibly high income skill, you can monetize that skill, right, by starting an LLC and being able to stand on the other side of the tax system, where instead of paying taxes, you get deductions. You get the highest levels of deductions because you're running the business. Okay, so that's what I would encourage everyone to do. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to start and scale your car rental business, use the link in the description to join our free Facebook community of over 70 people who all own their own car rental businesses and are doing the exact same thing. Smash a like on this video and let's save another person from this predatory system. Let's go.